Yeah! Happy birthday!
I was all grown up,
Your mom is a good person.
out on my own.
She's pretty though.
Free to be me.
Religioso. Fue carta.
But that all changed last night when I met an angel. Glowing? Check. Great smelling? Double check. I couldn't resist. I had to meet her. And now you know the rest of my story. Am I stuck with her? Yeah. Would I do it again if I had the chance? Every single time. What is happening in this abode?
Did I just get dumped? Love. Am I right?
Katchy Duo combines a 360-degree light halo and detachable scented bait trap to lure flying pests out of your airspace. The hidden fan sucks bugs in and locks them in place on glue boards for easy disposal.